Hi guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to prepare your Proline product for return so we can ensure a seamless process for us and you. When you receive your product, make sure to check inside and all the belongings for any damage. If you decide a return needs to be made, please initiate a claim with our customer service team inside the 5 business day window that we have allotted. When you're unpackaging your item, make sure to keep any of the foam, the box, the hardware that we send to you when you ship it back to us. This helps ensure a safe transit back to our facility. If possible, try and document any reason for return with photos if necessary. Just snap us a quick picture and you can send that to our customer service team as well. Please make sure to repackage the appliance the way you received it to the best of your ability. Take a picture when your return is ready to ship and provide it to our customer service team, again for approval. We will then provide the shipping label you need and send the appliance back. Now, the reason we want to try and repackage this the best we can is because obviously she's not pretty. We don't know what the inside of this looks like. And obviously you're not going to be able to repackage it as best as we send it to you. But you will need to send us an image in order to receive your shipping label, which our customer service team will approve. So do the best that you can. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. We'll be happy to assist you so we can ensure a seamless exchange between you and us.